lahi dito ang plano niya. Like he just wanna be a parasite for that whole journey because he knows nga by the end of that journey naa siya makuha or naa siya ma-benefit sa inyo. So, hi everyone. It has been a very long few days. Oh, ba? It has been a very long because for the past few days nakabulutang na medyo gubot kayo sa politics. There's a lot on social media and even on the mainstream media nga medyo gubot jud kayo nung gakita na tong balita. And so for today, because gubot na kayo ang politics, today kita mag-talk about politics. And again, I don't really want to talk about politics. Enough na na. But I came across a certain post on Facebook. I don't know if you were able to see the movie from Netflix entitled Swapped. No? Meaning nagbaylo. With the characters na si Ollie, si Ivy, and of course the main one, the villain and friend one, of course na dito si Google. And I was able to see a post from, let's try to put it on screen. Yeah, I saw this post from Girl Mom Diaries. Girl Mom Diaries. It says, "Have you met a Google person?" Yeah, ito. We've all met a Google at least once in our lives. So, for those nga wala pa nakita sa movie, no, I would really encourage you guys watch the movie because nice siya, na siya ay lesson in a way. But FYI lang sa mga wala pa nakita, kaning Google is a fish. And at the climax part, no, surprising kayo because Google was very friendly, he was very helpful, very kind to Ollie and Ivy. But nakurat na lang jud ang tanan nga when he was asked to transform, he transformed into the main villain, which is called the Firewolf. So I guess this is the reason why it is stated here that we've all met a Google at least once in our lives. No? Pero unsa bay naaaning Google? Why are we saying that there is what we call a Google? Unsa ba ni sila, no? So for you to be able to identify, let's try to name three of those who we can consider a bugol. And at least siguro pag-una-una, while we talk about it, pag-una-una kung kinsa ba itong naagian ako nga bugol sa ako ang kinabuhi. And was it a good lesson after which or was it traumatic after which? No? Kamo na siguro ito because again, kanya-kanya man tawag kinabuhi. But the first bugol that we would consider are those people probably we would consider as the helpful stranger. No, the helpful stranger. The helpful stranger because it can be those people na who would ito na take advantage bitaw when you are at your most vulnerable, when you are at your most weakest point, no? It can be referred to a universal experience wherein you actually meet a person who always insert himself to your life, who always insert himself to the current problem that you have. No? Daghan nagkikita problema na pa magpapansin, na pa magparamdam, na pa mag-apil-apil sa dagan sa imuhang kinabuhi. And along the way, at a later time, if makita niya nga makatake siya og full advantage, probably he'll find ways to really grab that opportunity, grab that being parasite. No? One good example of a helpful stranger is, for example, let's say for example, if you were heartbroken, you are in the stage of trying to move on, but you are still not ready to move on. And then here comes that person who somehow tends to insert himself into your life. Gusto niya na ma-involve, ma-close sa imuha. And then, probably along the way, naka-help ko sa imuha nga maka-recover. No? But then again, that certain person also has his own problem. And with his own problem, naka-realize siya nga dili siya satisfied nga ni enter siya baguhan nga problem. And then he goes out again. No, muhawa na po dayon siya, leaving you as that person nga nadungagan or natirahag bag-o nga problema, no, being heartbroken again. So that's probably a good example of a helpful stranger. So that's our number one. Our number two, kind of a bugle, is what we call the chaotic wild card, kining mga wild card, no? And muni sila ang klase nga mga tao nga mga very unpredictable, mga tao nga ga make friends sa imuha and says a lot of things nga, let us say, nonsense or walay direction or wala gyapay paingnan. But in that kind of circle, no, in a way nga nakauban nimo siya nga tao or nasabay nimo siya ka tao and you realize nga mo rin siya loose canon nga very high energetic ayo, um, like very slightly weird in a way nga ganahan ka, no, and dili nimo gakapili kung unsa yung gusto nga mahitabo sa kinabuhi, like you can't really tell if unsa ba yung gusto niya nga direction or unsa ang iyang plans. And these kind of people are those people nga anytime pwede yun ka nga bitaw pasagdan in a way, like a good example would be like if you are in a journey of finding a good career, finding the right path or the right job, and you have this friend who's very energetic, who is very talkative, but also doesn't really know where she's going or he is going, and then nagsabay mo and then naguban mo and then nakurot lang ka kay imbis nga naay direction na mo, no, kay nagtinabanga mong duha, but then again siya kay nakita man siya kanang mas paspas or better direction, ikalit lang dahil pagkaog kaan, no, left alone ka, and that is considered as a chaotic wild card kind of a movie, right? And of course that's our number two, and we also have our number one. Our number one is what we call the friend who always has a hidden agenda, no, kaning mga amigo bitaw for quite some time, like ilan na kay nato, close na kay nato, but unfortunately all along lahi dito ang plano niya, like he just wanna be a parasite for that whole journey because he knows nga by the end of that journey naa siya makuha or naa siya ma-benefit sa inyo. So those are the things. What about you? Can you think if one of those people, no, the helpful stranger, the chaotic wild card, or the friend who has an agenda or has a hidden agenda, is any one of your friend na imong ma-relate nga bugol right as of this moment? If naa, no, I want you to understand and know and basically reflect na nahitabo ni siya and na-meet nimo sila for a purpose. Tanan mga butang, tanan nga mga encounter nimo, tanan sins, tanan mistakes, and tanan circumstances, nahitabo to siya because there was a purpose. Naay purpose ang Ginoo why nahitabo to siya. And I hope and pray nga sa karon when you realize all these things nga naa jud kay at least one bugol nga na-encounter sa imong life. I hope and pray na kaning mga bugol sa ato ang kinabuhi will become learnings and lessons that will help us continue to grow and live a life, and of course keep peaceful. Take care everyone.